Ooh, come on, brighten up our day. All right, fam. Now, as you guys can tell, it's kind of a little humdum gloom outside.
Oh, well, it stopped raining now.
We finna,
Hold on, fam.
we finna open it up.
That's also gonna get us some air. Woo, that feels much better.
Ooh, look at us. Look at us.
We glowing, boy. They do thumbnail over.
Okay, let's do it.
Shoot, I want to do this close up over.
Okay, we be back, fam. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna want to do the intro over too. Sheesh.
I know.
Okay, you ready? Aha. All right, fam. So now that we have redone everything else, we gonna redo this intro.
Ready?
So.
M's with my best friends. Turned on my L's in the lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed.
What up, fam? And welcome back to our channel. I'm Dale.
And I'm Jazz.
And today we are coming at you with another car mukbang. Yes, CARBANG, as one of the fam named it. We're gonna have their name running across the bottom, or either.
Shoot, a lot of people said it. They were all in sync.
Yeah, CARBANG. So we gonna have these CARBANGs, fam. Today we are coming at you guys with some ranch wings from Wal-Mart. Okra. Wedges, double okra, double wedges, although babe probably gonna be reaching over here and I'm going vice versa. We ain't got no ketchup. And of course, the mod sticks. So, before we get into this video, fam,
make sure you subscribe
and hit that bell to be notified.
every time we post a video.
Because that bell ain't ringing, then your phone won't be singing. So if you don't see the parentheses on the outside of that bell, then you won't be notified every time we drop these videos. So, let's get into the food, fam.
Yes. Cause it's fresh and hot, y'all. How y'all doing? And what y'all eating? Before we get to grubbing,
have a bite.
Who want a bite? That ranch wing, okra. Y'all bite at the same time. Y'all get the first bite.
Shout out to the cook at the deli.
Cause she was nice.
Who dropped our entire order fresh.
Fresh.
From the okra.
To the chicken.
To the chicken.
To the cheese.
To the wedges, all the way to the cheese sticks.
And it's looking good. You're gonna like it, babe. Cause
This
it's
okra,
not too hard. Ooh.
Fam, I think your boy had got to the point where I'm almost in the cave. My clavicle hurting, fam. I'm in my bed.
We are out handling business. Trying to get this power
Situated.
situation resolved.
Sooner
We know we
rather than
told
later.
y'all it was gonna be some days ago.
We're trying to get it sooner because right now it's slated for Friday, but that's just unacceptable.
Cause at this point it's been too long. You can't wait on people.
And Friday will be almost a month.
It doesn't even feel like it, but
Because we had the fam. Even though we ain't seen them a lot of that time, we still been working for them. So they've been motivating us. Shout out to y'all, fam. Y'all really are the MVPs.
we love y'all.
Because of the love that we get in our comment section.
Y'all been down for this ride with us.
Like
We
somebody
appreciate
said,
it.
camping, boy. The first night when we came back and went to the house to get clothes, and we gave the boys flashlights, they didn't want to leave. They said they were having an adventure. They almost cried. So
They just like to be at home. Shout out to Arby's too.
For this Bronco Berry. And shout out to the
Oh,
manager.
it's a little spicy.
Because I went in, I gave the manager a card, fam. This is the first time at home we've had this kind of experience. I gave the manager a card. She showed it to a fellow employee. The employee tried to put it in her pocket for later. The manager said, I want my card. So I whipped out more. Whole crew got cards today.
You get a card and you get a card.
And you get a card. So, all the way shout out to Arby's. We've just been having the light in the darkness has been real.
And now the rain is coming down on our head. Hold on, fam.
So, fam, us is back in the darkness. DITL, Nick and me, and Muscle and Marriage. Y'all sent us this rain. We were just watching DITL. They said they were monitoring Hurricane Michael.
Let us know in the comments if you're close to that or if you safe. Or what the weather like.
What you're doing to prepare. All that good stuff.
Hold on, y'all. One more time.
The Bailey bunches always be in the rain.
Can you open my drink?
I remember it was even one we were watching T and Lee when they were eating ice cream in the rain.
All the Florida people sit in the rain. We always blame it on y'all.
Because if he's not right after we watch you guys and it's raining there, we get the rain when you guys are experiencing it.
After. Like the next day or a couple of days after, it's raining here.
But it's still raining.
Mandy said it's beautiful there.
Oh, today? But you talking about this time. I'm talking about period though. It's the first. Usually it be raining for days and days and days. We'll get rain for like a day and it still be raining when we get our sun back.
Rain is chicken good.
I'm gonna eat something in just a minute.
I had it first. Because you eat it first. Who wanna bite the pan? Go and get it. Ooh. Bite that thing, y'all.
Ooh, boy. And we can get them good close-ups in the car. We ain't gotta be struggling for close-ups now.
We're gonna be car banging, y'all.
Until we get another camera outside our vlogging one. Oh, this is looking good. But I will say, I think I agree. These is probably a little bit harder. It probably would have been like slap. They're good, don't get me wrong. But that crunch.
Set it off. We share what y'all eating today.
You gave me a bite.
Now we got a lot of new family members. And y'all comment in the comments saying y'all be hungry. Bam, y'all better tell them. Y'all gotta eat when you watch us. Some crackers, a sandwich, something. Yep. We had to start giving a disclaimer in the beginning. This video may make you hungry.
Please
grab a snack.
Bye-bye, school bus.
Making all that noise.
Damn, we got the sunroof open. A little drops of dew are getting on me.
But it's okay.
That's how they feel. I ain't complaining, I'm just saying. With the sunroof at an angle, it doesn't feel like I'm getting rained on. It feel like little dewdrops hitting me. Because it's bouncing, anything that hit us is bouncing off the top of the car. So then hitting us is bouncing in.
Little specks.
Cheating. Fam, let me tell y'all the realization I came to yesterday. And this is why I say, when you're going through things, you just really can't be so self-centered that you don't see things going on around you. Yesterday, and I ain't gonna lie, fam, and Beck can attest to this, when it comes to lotion, In my mind, I'm gonna have on socks. I ain't gotta put no lotion on my feet. I'm gonna have on long pants. I ain't gotta put no lotion on past my kneecaps.
I know I do that. I ain't gonna tell you no lie.
Hit them ankles and get the moving. Yesterday, fam, I was sitting in the car. Y'all know when y'all at somebody else's house and you trying to be respectful. When you're taking a shower, you don't take a shower, you normally take it long, like if you at home and all that. So boy, after being back home, taking a shower at home, after a week, boy, I was sitting in the car while Jasmine was getting the boys snacks together, and I was lotioning up. As I'm sitting there, I swear, I was like, man, I'm just lotioning. I'm like, dang, I see why people do this. This is relaxing. So your boy gonna be lotioning up more time now. Maybe twice a day.
I say that every time.
Man, I hate that.
Some days I get out the tub and sit on the bed and lotion up. I'm like, oh, this is nice, but
after I put on that lotion, I felt a little bit more relaxed. So I'm just gonna have
almost like a self massage.
So I'm just gonna have to make time out for lotioning.
For a proper lotioning, not just some slap some on.
That can go.
You gotta believe me if I say I get full.
Because what I realized is, yeah, well, not what I realized, but your feet are a part of your body too. Why don't they they put in they put in some work.
Boy, you need your feet.
So, show them a little about the long day at work.
You crazy. We just wanted to come give y'all a little quick mukbang while we out in these rainy streets. Gonna go back to Papa's house with the boys.
Man, and I can't say enough about these wings.
It's good.
Especially fresh. Ooh, Lord.
Some cheese is good too. I'm getting
a
full.
pound for $3.98, fam. We still got 6 left. I don't know how many we ate.
Oh, I just ate
I think I ate 3. So about 12 for $4.
I've been eating my chicken. Yeah, I know you good, little chicken. Look, now I gotta dip it in the Bronco berry sauce. What y'all like to dip y'all's cheese sticks in? Bronco berry. Anybody ever had Bronco berry sauce from Arby's? It tastes kind of like sweet and sour sauce, but it got a little spice to it.
Just a tad bit of a kick. My sauce of choice from restaurants are Bronco berry and what else they?
Polynesian.
I got 2.
Polynesian a little sweeter than the Bronco berries. And they chicken sandwich.
Especially the spicy. She must knew we were gonna do a video, boy. She put a little bit of extra TLC into these or something.
We ain't said no words, yeah.
Wow. Feel like she made the ranch powder. Wow, this is good.
This don't even taste like ranch powder. It tastes like ranch.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that.
That was good, fam.
I think I only had these one time before. A long time ago.
I never have. You know, we just be getting the regular ones.
Or the ones with your sauce on them.
Well, I don't get sauce wings from Wal-Mart.
I have to show you which ones we got. Look y'all. That Snapper apple. Fruit punch. It's good. I want to go on a diet after we get back home. Ready for this seafood week. That's gonna be the diet. We just excited as y'all. Ooh boy, y'all.
Wait till y'all see.
Other than seafood week, we got a whole bunch of surprises. about to be on popping. Minor setback for a major comeback.
And that's facts on mom.
Okay.
Ooh, that was for you, Renzel. These are good.
I'm getting full.
Yeah, first meal of the day, almost 2 o'clock, it'll do it to you.
That's good. It was worth it.
And I'm finishing my chicken though.
I'm finished my wedges and my okra.
I ain't got 2 wedges.
Yes, I'm saving my 2 pieces of chicken for a snack later. No sense of stuffing them in there.
I'm not even gonna play like that because I'll get mad if I put it up to eat later and I don't.
Oh, heck no, I'm eating these later. Them 2 wings. That's good.
Well, I want to go back over there and get her name, make sure I put her in this video. It's all good. Cut. Just saying.
What you said?
These all good.
I think I heard somebody say niece. Niece or niecey. One of the 2. If she see the video, she'll be able to tell us. Oh, you want to give her? Oh, because you gave the other lady who rung us up a card.
Shoe back there, worker slicing meat.
We parked by a construction site by Arby's.
I don't know if you guys have it where you are, but we're getting a full moon barbecue at our side of town. So
y'all eat full moon, so we have to do a review there when we first get there.
open or something. Bam! Guess what else? They are getting a Wingstop in Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
We're going down there.
And that's where we were just at. So T-Town. Well, Wingstop, we'll be down.
Maybe it's like a beer shop.
Good, huh?
Ooh, here you go, man. I can't do it. 4 pieces of chicken. Surprise.
2 mozzarella sticks.
I don't even know if I ate 2. Okay. Really?
It was good.
I'm full. Yeah. And it was good. Thank you, Wal-Mart. Thank you, fam.
Because this whole spigot costs less than 13 bucks.
Yes, y'all.
Less than 15 because we added my stick.
We got 2 meat. I mean, not 2 meats. A meat and 2 sides. So we just got double sides so that we both will have a little bit of everything. Y'all, let me tell y'all, if y'all don't got no problem sharing with your bae or your sister or whoever you eating with,
up in this food game now.
You gotta tell y'all how to work them. Get a little this, get a little that. You just need a little. Look at that. I'm already full. I ain't even finished, but I had a little okra, little cheese sticks, little potato wedges, and I'm good. Cause now your girl full. Let me see that bag, babe.
Okay.
Oh, please. That'll work too. Oh, well, never mind. I was about to put the bones in it and put the cheese sticks in.
Whole container.
Teamwork make the dream work.
Well, fam, sadly, it has come that time. But look,
We got a whole later snack.
What Jad do? Because
you ate all your food.
ain't
No,
none
I
of that
probably
mine.
still share with babe. Some of them cheese sticks.
oh well, yeah. I was thinking about the boys.
They like cheese. But
Anyway, fam, sadly, it has come that time of the video where.
we must let y'all go.
So until next video, fam.
Love you guys. You were a retard. Yes, hell.
It just made me think about the Jamie Foxx show.
See ya. Boy, this make you not even want to go. We should go start setting up in the truck.
Oh, everything.
Okay, babe. Switch
As one of the fans,
the big chicken.
I told you to pick whichever one you wanted.
I told you to get whichever one you gonna get
Okay.
in. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
What a bag.
You're era sometimes.
You too.
Your children.
Your mama. Yours. So much in here.
Alright, before we get to cutting up in this here video, fam. 1, 2, 3. What up, fam? And welcome back to our channel. I'm Deb.
And I'm Jazz.
And